If you are a vegetarian looking for an extreme fat loss Indian diet, in this video, I'm going to show you a 1500 calorie meal plan with 130 grams of protein. Let's do this. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another diet video. Firstly, got myself a haircut finally, a little shorter than expected, but definitely needed one. Anyway, the last 1500 calorie diet, which is specifically for non-vegetarians, did quite well. So I thought it only makes sense to make one for my vegetarian friends. So in this video, I'm going to show you a 1500 calorie diet for specifically vegetarians. Again, as I mentioned in that video as well, 1500 calories is definitely on the lower end, so I am not recommending it to anybody. In this video, I'm just showing you how 1500 calories looks like and how you can get 130 grams of protein through it for vegetarians. So with that out of the way, if you are ready to get this video started, as always, go ahead, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump in. Now, this diet is going to be divided into 4 meals, and we are going to keep them as simple, as delicious, and protein packed as ever. Let's get started with meal number 1, which is a banana protein smoothie. Now, this is a super quick and delicious smoothie. To make it, blend 1 cup of 30 calorie almond milk, 1 scoop of whey protein, 1 large banana, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. And there you have it. Your meal 1 is ready. One thing I absolutely love about protein shakes or smoothies is that you can adjust its volume. So if you want it to really fill you up, all you gotta do is just add more water to it. This meal is a total of about 370 calories, of which 39 grams are carbs, 12 grams are fat, and 31 grams are protein. Moving on to meal number 2, we have 1 serving of my delicious Paneer green moong. To make it, pressure cook 200 grams of soaked raw green moong along with 3 to 3.5 cups of water, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and ½ teaspoon of salt for about 5 to 6 whistles. Once that's done, on a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, a pinch of hing, 1 medium onion, about 2 to 3 green chilies, and ½ tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and saute until the onions are cooked. Then add 2 medium tomatoes, and once they become soft, add the following spices. Once all the spices are well blended in, add the boiled green moong along with its water. Finally, as it reaches your desired consistency, top it off with some coriander leaves, and your green moong curry is set. Divide this entire recipe into 4 servings, and 1 serving of it will be meal number 2. Now, to this 1 serving of green moong curry, to further bump up the protein intake, we will add paneer to it. So on a pan, coat some cooking spray and throw in 56 grams of cubed paneer. Add a pinch of salt, and once the paneer is well cooked, drop them into the curry, and there you go. Your paneer green moong is all set. This tastes so incredibly good, guys. It's high in protein, has good carbs, and it's also high in fiber, which is perfect to keep you full. This is a total of about 425 calories, 38 grams of carbs, 18 grams of fat, and 27 grams of protein. Moving on to a quick evening snack, which is high protein blueberry yogurt. To make this, add 200 grams of Greek yogurt. I went with Dan & Light & Fit, along with 1 scoop of whey protein and 50 grams of fresh blueberries on the top. If you have a sweet tooth, guys, I'm telling you, this definitely hits the spot. This is a total of about 260 calories, 22 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, and 42 grams of protein. And finally, moving on to dinner, which is 2 servings of my soya chunks cheese toast. To make it, soak 50 grams of soya chunks in hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once done, squeeze out the water and grind in a food processor. Next, to a pan on medium flame, add ½ tablespoon of oil or ghee and a pinch of hing. As the oil heats up, add 1 to 2 cloves of chopped garlic, half of a medium onion, and 1 to 2 green chilies, and saute till the onions turn transparent. Then add a small bowl of veggies. I went with carrots, peas, and corn, along with ½ teaspoon of salt. Continue sauteing until the raw smell of the veggies fade. Then add the minced soya chunks into the mixture along with the following spices. and give it all a good mix. Next, take 4 slices of bread and coat 1 tablespoon of ketchup on each one of them. Distribute the soya chunk stuffing across all 4 of them, and finally top each of them off with 1 slice of low-fat cheese. And last but not the least, bake these in an air fryer at 350 degrees for about 4 to 5 minutes or until they look like this, and there you go. Your soya chunk cheese toast is ready. Divide this entire recipe into 4 servings, and 2 servings or 2 slices of toast is dinner. This is a total of 400 calories, of which 52 grams are carbs, 10 grams are fat, and 30 grams are protein. And finally, combining all the meals, we get a total of 1,455 calories, of which 151 grams are carbs, 42 grams are fat, and 130 grams are protein. There you go, guys. A total of 130 grams of protein, and all the meals, I promise you, are incredibly tasty. It is so important for you to enjoy your meals when you are on a fitness journey. The root cause for why 90% of the people fail is because they don't like what they eat, and when they don't like what they eat, they are not consistent, and when they are not consistent, they don't see results. With meals like this, guys, it will never feel like you're on a diet, and that's how it should be. So do try them out. If you do, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see them. And if you found this video helpful, if you found it informative, please go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. And until next time, guys, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.